What is the best way to synthesize legal information for court? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle with pieces from different boxes. That's what synthesizing legal information is like in a courtroom. It's about bringing together rules, facts, and arguments from many sources to make a clear, convincing case. Judges and lawyers want arguments that are easy to follow, well-organized, and directly connected to the law. So, how do you do this effectively? Let's walk through the steps. First, identify the main legal question your case revolves around. This question guides your research and keeps you focused on what the court needs to see. Use legal databases to find relevant cases, statutes, and expert commentaries. Prioritize sources from higher courts, recent decisions, and trusted legal writers. Not all sources are equal, so choose the ones that carry the most authority. Next, carefully read each source. Look for the key legal rule each case establishes. Pay attention to how courts apply these rules to specific facts. Make notes of any differences or conflicts between cases, as well as patterns in how courts decide similar issues. This process is called rule extraction, figuring out what each case actually says about the law. Once you have your rules, compare them. Look for common themes, consistent applications, and disagreements. Group cases that support the same legal principle. This helps you see the bigger picture and find the most reliable statement of the law. Sometimes, no single case provides a perfect answer, so you combine rules from several cases. This is called rule synthesis, merging different legal rules into a single clear statement. When preparing your argument, organize it logically. Start by stating the issue, then explain the synthesized rule, apply that rule to your facts, and finish with your conclusion. This approach, often called IRAC or creek, makes your argument straightforward and easy for the judge to follow. Clear structure shows you understand the law and how it applies. Use comparisons to highlight similarities and differences between your case and past decisions. If your facts are stronger or weaker than those in previous cases, explain why. Show how the law has changed or evolved over time. This demonstrates your grasp of legal development and how it applies to your situation. Always connect your legal rules back to your facts. Courts decide cases based on how the law fits the specific circumstances. Show which facts from past cases are like yours and which are different. Explain why those differences matter. This fact application is key to persuading the judge that your interpretation is correct. Be ready to address opposing arguments. If some cases go against your position, acknowledge them and explain why they don't control your case. This shows fairness and thoroughness, qualities judges respect. It also strengthens your credibility. In court, clarity is king. Avoid confusing language or unnecessary details. Use simple words to explain complex legal ideas. Make your points directly so the judge can see how the law supports your side. Practice stating your synthesized rule in one clear sentence. Prepare examples from case law to illustrate your points. Think ahead about questions the judge might ask and have answers ready. Rehearse your argument to keep it flowing smoothly and focused. Remember, synthesizing legal information isn't about repeating what others said. It's about analyzing, comparing, and combining sources to build a strong, logical argument tailored to your case. Judges look for well-researched, organized, and fact-based arguments. Mastering this skill makes you a more effective advocate in the courtroom.